gonna try this again with the light on to my camera. You can listen to this water sound and also hopefully see if we can see where this water's coming from. I think I found the water leak. That little tube at the back of the refrigerator is leaking. That's where water's coming from. Can you see it? Okay. Identified some water leakage, a source. Oh God, there's wires back there. Down on the floor. Oh God, and that water's going all over the wires and possibly that electrical cord. Okay, I've identified where this water's coming from. It's going all down in the basement. I thought it was the rain. And now I gotta figure out what to do about it. Shit.